Welcome back, everyone! Inside the human body, researchers are developing microscopic machines that can travel through blood vessels and tissues to carry out precise medical tasks. These machines, known as nanobots, are designed to identify specific disease markers, deliver medication directly to affected areas, and avoid healthy tissue entirely. Unlike traditional methods that involve general treatments, these devices allow for focused action at the source of illness. By reducing unnecessary damage and increasing treatment efficiency, nanobot medicine is expected to improve recovery times and outcomes. This video explains how these machines are being designed and tested. Nanobots are typically built at a scale ranging from tens to hundreds of nanometers, allowing them to navigate through blood vessels and tissue spaces that would be inaccessible to traditional medical devices. These machines are constructed from biocompatible materials such as gold, silicon, or carbon-based structures to prevent immune rejection. A nanobot may include propulsion mechanisms, sensors, drug storage chambers, and communication systems, all miniaturized into an extremely compact form. By assembling these components at the nanoscale, engineers can create autonomous or semi-autonomous machines capable of navigating inside the human body to deliver therapeutic results. Propulsion is one of the main challenges in nanobot design. To move through fluid environments like blood or lymph, nanobots can use flagella like tails, chemical reactions, or even magnetic fields. Some nanobots are powered by tiny chemical motors that react with substances in the bloodstream to produce motion. Others are moved externally using rotating magnetic fields controlled from outside the body. These propulsion systems allow the nanobots to reach specific sites, such as a tumor or an area of infection, without getting lost or stuck in the complex geometry of the vascular system. Navigation and targeting are critical for nanobot effectiveness. Some nanobots rely on chemical sensors that detect changes in pH, temperature, or the presence of specific biomolecules that indicate disease. Others use imaging-based guidance, responding to signals from ultrasound or magnetic resonance systems. By using onboard sensors or external guidance systems, nanobots can move toward target cells while avoiding healthy tissue. This selective targeting reduces the likelihood of side effects and makes treatments far more efficient than traditional systemic methods, such as oral drugs or intravenous injections. Drug delivery using nanobots is more than just transporting medicine. These machines can be programmed to release their payloads only under specific conditions. For example, a nanobot carrying chemotherapy drugs might only release them in the presence of cancer cell markers, or when it reaches a particular pH level associated with tumor environments. This type of conditional release ensures that healthy tissues are spared, while affected areas receive the full dose. Such control helps minimize collateral damage and can significantly reduce the discomfort and complications often associated with conventional therapies. One promising application involves nanobots designed to disrupt blood clots. These bots can detect clot formation and either mechanically break it apart or deliver clot-dissolving agents directly to the affected area. This is especially important in stroke treatment or preventing pulmonary embolisms, where time is critical and precision is required. Nanobots can also be used in combination with sensors that detect the early formation of clots, enabling intervention before serious damage occurs. This approach could lead to real-time preventative medicine that acts faster than traditional pharmaceutical interventions. Another area of research focuses on cell repair and tissue regeneration. Some nanobots are designed to carry genetic material, proteins, or other biochemical agents that stimulate healing or replace damaged components of a cell. In some experimental setups, nanobots have been used to deliver stem cell activating factors or even gene editing tools like CRISPR to very specific locations. This level of precision opens up the possibility of treating genetic disorders or repairing organs without large-scale surgery or systemic medication. The long-term goal is to create tools that can maintain and restore biological systems from within. Nanobots may also be used for diagnostic purposes without delivering treatment. A bot could travel through the bloodstream and collect data on cellular environments, chemical concentrations, or structural anomalies. Once the mission is complete, the bot could exit the body or transmit data wirelessly to an external receiver. This method provides far more detailed information than blood tests or imaging alone, and could allow doctors to detect diseases at earlier stages. The ability to gather internal data without invasive procedures could shift the medical field toward faster and more accurate diagnosis. Powering these machines remains a complex problem. Some nanobots use chemical fuels derived from the body's own fluids, such as glucose or urea, to power small internal engines. Others are energized using external sources like ultrasound or magnetic fields. The ideal solution balances energy density, duration, and safety. For now, many experimental designs rely on external fields to maintain control over both navigation and power, allowing researchers to stop and start devices as needed. As battery technology and energy harvesting improve, more autonomous and long-duration nanobot systems will become possible. Safety and immune system interaction are major concerns. Even though nanobots are designed using biocompatible materials, the immune system may still recognize them as foreign objects. To avoid this, some bots are coated with substances like polyethylene glycol or designed with stealth properties that mimic biological cells. Other designs aim to minimize surface area or shape to reduce detection. Ongoing studies are being conducted to evaluate whether repeated exposure could lead to complications, especially if bots are intended to remain in the body for extended periods or perform continuous monitoring. Future systems may combine all these features into multifunctional platforms. A single nanobot could detect abnormalities, report them wirelessly, deliver medication, and verify treatment success through follow-up chemical readings. Coordinated groups of bots could perform distributed tasks, like mapping a tumor's size and structure while simultaneously delivering therapy. Integration with external control systems or machine learning algorithms might allow for independent decision-making inside the body. These developments suggest that nanobot medicine is not a temporary innovation, but a fundamental change in how health conditions are diagnosed and treated. Some researchers are exploring hypothetical applications that go far beyond current medical goals. One concept involves nanobots that remain in the body permanently to provide continuous monitoring and early intervention, functioning as an internal medical support system. Others imagine swarms of bots working together to construct microscopic scaffolds for regenerating entire organs or reconnecting damaged neural tissue. There is also speculation about using nanobots to alter gene expression dynamically in response to environmental conditions or metabolic changes. While these ideas are not yet practical, they illustrate the wide range of possibilities under consideration. Nanobot medicine is moving toward practical application through controlled laboratory experiments and targeted early trials. Devices are being built to break up dangerous clots, deliver cancer drugs in small doses, and support tissue regeneration at the cellular level. Some systems respond to chemical signals in the body, while others use external control methods to guide them to precise locations. As testing improves and production becomes more reliable, these machines may become a standard part of treatment. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.